I built this shop using 2 shipping containers and some chicken house trusses. I'm right now working on the back wall, finishing this up. I did find some windows. You guys are gonna be stoked about that. I had said I either were gonna go with the cheap ones or the expensive ones. The cheap ones were gonna be about $400 to do 2 windows here. The expensive ones are about $1,000. Well, I have come up with an option C that is completely free and gives me the high quality windows. This building is going to have 3.5 inches of closed cell foam, so I wanted higher quality windows, and you guys agreed with me, so I have got higher quality windows, and I will be showing you guys how that all happened in today's full-length video. I just wanted to jump on here and give you guys a quick little update and show you what is going on and what is going to be in today's full video. 1 window going in here, 1 window going in here, and then this is all going to get covered in tin. I just finished getting that top piece welded. Now I'm moving on to welding the top of the window frame here. Today is daily vlog 311. I'm excited about the progress that is being made in today's video. And there's red wasps everywhere. Look at this nest we got up here. Where is it? There it is. Yep, I'm gonna have to climb up there and knock that thing down or spray it. It's 20 feet up in the air. Not exactly sure how I'm gonna deal with that, but I definitely gotta deal with that. This is coming along quicker than I thought because I thought I was going to have to just do this whole project, wait for however long until I found a good deal on windows, but that's no longer the case. So make sure you stay tuned for today's full video. Thanks for watching this quick little update. Things are going good. I'm just trucking away at it. It is hot today. Super, super hot. So I'm glad that I have this nice shade canopy to work under.